Hey lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. The year is almost over and 2025 is fast approaching. But before we dive into the new year with all our glow-up goals, we need to talk about something super important: letting go. That's right, we're decluttering. Not just our rooms, but our minds, our vibes, and our lives. By the end of this video, you'll feel lighter, happier, and ready to slay the new year. So grab your cutest notebook, get comfy, and let's dive into the 10 things you absolutely need to let go of before the year ends. Toxic relationships. First up, toxic people. Yep, we're cutting them off. That friend who's always negative, or that person who only hits you up when they need something. It's time to say bye. 2025 is all about surrounding yourself with people who hype you up, not drag you down. And remember, your energy is precious. Not everyone deserves access to it. Negative self-talk. Let's talk about that little voice in your head. The one that says, "You're not good enough," or "You can't do it." We're firing her. She's not invited to 2025. Replace her with your inner cheerleader. You know, the one who says, "You're that girl." Unrealistic expectations. Perfection is overrated. Seriously, no one has it all together, no matter what Instagram tells you. Instead of aiming for impossible standards, focus on progress. Life's messy, and that's what makes it beautiful. So let's normalize being perfectly imperfect in 2025. And let's be real, perfect is boring anyway. Fear of failure. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Stop letting the fear of messing up hold you back. Whether it's trying something new or taking a big step, go for it. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Clutter. Messy room, messy mind. It's a real thing. Take a weekend, play some music, and declutter your space. If you haven't worn it, used it, then it's gotta go, and you can also donate them. Plus, there will be more room for 2025 shopping sprees. Comparing yourself to others. You know those aesthetic life you see on Instagram. Most of them aren't real. Nobody's posting their bad hair days or the time they cried over a broken nail. So stop comparing your real, beautiful life to someone else's filtered moments. Your glow up is unique, babe. It's not a race or a competition. It's your story. Keep doing you, because trust me, someone out there is inspired by your journey. And while we're at it, let's hype each other up instead of comparing. Doubting yourself. This is your sign to stop doubting yourself. The dreams, the goals, the life you want. It's all possible if you trust yourself. So leave that self-doubt in 2024 and carry your confidence into 2025 like the queen you are. Let's face it, you're amazing and the world needs more of you. Procrastination. Stop waiting for the perfect time to get started, because the perfect time doesn't exist. Whether it's that fitness goal or starting your dream project, the best time to start is now. Do it and your future self will thank you. Overcommitment. Girl, you do not have to say yes to every plan, every favor, and every event. Overcommitting is the fastest way to get burnout. So in 2025, you need to learn how to say no or "sorry, I can't," and saying it guilt-free. Plus, the world won't end if you skip a party or two. Old grudges. Grudges are like carrying a backpack full of rocks. It only weighs you down. Forgiveness isn't about them. It's about freeing yourself. So let it go. And no, you don't have to text them. Just forgive and move on. And there you have it, 10 things to let go of before the new year. Which one are you letting go of first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this with your best friend who needs a little end-of-year inspo. Let's step into 2025 lighter, brighter, and ready to glow. Love you all. Bye.